How to remove leftover files after uninstalling apps on Android. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up your Play Store, then tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner, then tap on the search bar. Now type STMade, then click on search at the bottom right corner. Now tap on STMade1 and click on install. Now wait for the app to install. After installing, simply tap on open. Now next to Corpse Finder, simply tap on the scan button, then tap on next, again tap on next, tap on skip, again tap on skip and click on allow. Now toggle this on and simply go back and tap on next, then tap on skip. Now wait for some time. Now if you have any leftover data after uninstalling any application, simply tap on the trash icon and tap on delete. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.